Hello everyone and welcome to this quick demonstration on integrating Radius as a service with Intune's Cloud PKI. Today we will walk through the process of uploading the root CA and issuing sub-CA to Radius as a service, including configuration of the certificate revocation list distribution point. It's important to understand that Microsoft Cloud PKI offers only a limited set of features. For instance, it cannot issue TLS certificates for servers such as the one required by Radius as a service. As a result, bringing your own server certificate when using Microsoft Cloud PKI isn't an option. To address scenarios where PKI lacks these capabilities, Radius as a service includes a built-in customer CA, allowing customers to avoid the hassle of sourcing a Radius server certificate elsewhere. Let's dive right in.
In this video, I will show you how to upload your Cloud PKI root CA and issuing sub-CA to Radius as a service. To follow the video, it is assumed that you already have Cloud PKI configured in Intune. To get started, in Microsoft Intune, go to Tenant Administration, then Cloud PKI. Once there, select your root CA and download it. Whilst there, take note of the CRL distribution point as you will need this at a later time. I'll just copy-paste it into Notepad. Next, download the issuing CA in the same way, and once again, don't forget to take note of the CRL distribution point and also the SCEP URI as you will need these at a later time. Once downloaded, head over to Radius as a service, then Trusted Certificate, and click Add to upload your Cloud PKI's root CA to be used for client authentication. Select CRL for certificate verification, DER for CRL encoding, and add your previously copied CRL distribution point. Then click Save. Now let's repeat the same process for the issuing CA. One more time, click Add to upload your Cloud PKI's issuing CA. Select Client Authentication, CRL for Certificate Verification, DER for CRL encoding, and LOL just for kicks. As before, add your previously copied CRL distribution point. Then click Save. Once done, you should see both certificates listed under Trusted Certificates. Next, we will take a look at how to create device configuration profiles in Intune utilizing these certificates. Back in Intune, let's create the necessary Trusted, SCEP, and Wi-Fi configuration profiles. These profiles will be assigned by a group I created earlier called Contoso Cloud PKI. The first one we are going to create is the root CA device configuration profile. To do this in Microsoft Intune, go to Devices, Windows, Configuration, then from the drop-down list under Policies, create a new policy. Select the platform as Windows 10 and later. Select the profile type as Template. Select Trusted Certificate as the template name. Click Create, then type in a name for the profile, such as Contoso Lab Cloud PKI root CA. Click Next. Select the valid certificate file. Here we will pick our Contoso Lab Cloud PKI root CA certificate. We will deploy this to the computer certificate store root. Click Next. Under Assignment, we will select our Contoso Cloud PKI group. Then click Select. Click Next again and again. Click Create, and after refreshing the page, we will have our new profile. Next, we will create the issuing CA device configuration profile. To do this in Microsoft Intune, go to Devices, Windows, Configuration, and create a new policy. Select Windows 10 and later as the platform and select Templates as the profile type. Scroll down to select Trusted Certificates and click Create. Provide a name for the profile such as Cloud PKI Issuing CA. Click Next. Select the previously downloaded certificate, and again we will install this into the Computer Certificate Store root. Click Next. Select the group Cloud PKI. Click Next, Next again, and click Create. And after refreshing the page, we will have our new profile. Next, we will create a SCEP device configuration profile. To do this in Microsoft Intune, we will go back to the Configuration section. Under Policies, we click Create, New Policy, select Windows 10 and later as the platform, and select Templates as the profile type. Scroll down to find SCEP certificate as the template name and click Create. Provide a name for the template such as Contosolab SCEP device certificate. Then click Next. Select the device as a certificate type. Provide a subject name format such as CN equals device name, enclosed in double curly brackets. Under Subject Alternative Name, select the attribute URI and provide the following value: Intune device ID, :/device ID, again enclosed in double curly brackets. Leave the certificate validity period as 1 year and select one of the key storage providers according to your needs. In this case, I choose Enroll to Trusted Platform Module KSP if present, otherwise Software KSP. Select Digital Signature and Key Encipherment as key usage. Select the desired key size. In this case, I choose 2048-bit. Select the hash algorithm as SHA-2 and select your root certificate that you previously created. For us, this is the Contosolab Cloud PKI root CA. Click OK. Under Extended Key Usage, select Client Authentication for the predefined value. This will populate the other two fields. And right at the bottom, you will need to enter the SCEP server URI as previously saved in your notepad. Then click Next. Select your assignment group such as Contoso Cloud PKI and click Select. Click Next, Next again, and click Create. As usual, after we refresh the page, we will have our new profile listed. Next, let's create a Wi-Fi profile. To do this in Microsoft Intune, we will go back to the Configuration section. Under Policies, we click Create, New Policy, select Windows 10 and later as the platform, and select Templates as the profile type. Scroll down to find Wi-Fi and click Create. Provide a name for the template such as Contosolab Wi-Fi with your SSID. Then click Next. Select Enterprise as your Wi-Fi type, your SSID as your Wi-Fi name, and Contosolab Wi-Fi as your connection name. Select Machine as the authentication mode and EAP-TLS as EAP type, which is the certificate-based authentication. Next, we need to grab the server's DNS name from the server settings menu in our Radius as a Service instance and paste it into the certificate server name field. Ensure this DNS name matches the subject alternative name of the Radius server certificate. Next, select the root certificate profile we created earlier. This will be the SCEP Cloud PKI root CA. Click OK. As the authentication method, choose SCEP certificate and select your previously configured SCEP profile and click OK. Click Next. Assign it to the previously created group such as SCEP Cloud PKI. Click Select. Click Next. Next again, and after reviewing the configuration, click Create. As usual, after refreshing the page, we will have our new Wi-Fi profile listed.
And there you have it. I've demonstrated how to use Radius as a service with Cloud PKI. Thank you for watching.